Maybe I should be the one that create this account. I'm talking.
You shake her hand.
And watch here.
I'll get everybody number. Yes.
Come on, Daddy. Mama, where's Mama?
America,
The family. One moment, please. One moment, please.
the money there.
One minute, Daddy. He's gonna get the photo.
I still in Virginia.
He's gonna get the. Somebody should get the photo.
No, you want to take a picture.
I know, but after you do, we want him up here with the whole family. Please, that's a request.
Okay, watch here. Okay.
No, it's not a...
Good.
It's good. Let's see.
10 times?
10 times. 10 times? Yeah, you have the money.
Hey, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Shabaka. Okay, Kamani, you want to say something? On behalf of? I can video. I can take it.
No, this is 30 seconds real quick.
It's fine.
Go ahead.
Yes.
I just want to thank this current tour group and then everybody else that have ever traveled to Ghana with any of us and share the love of their financial donation and school supplies and things. The contribution helps, and we just do the best we can do little by little. But there's bigger commitments and things for those who want to take on those challenges. And what I was saying earlier, once you make those commitments, please follow through and keep it going. So our goal is to take you around the country and show you a lot of different things. It's we don't want anyone else to take on a whole lot on their shoulder because it's a lot going on in the country. But our brothers and sisters in African continent do appreciate our love and energy. You see, we've been traveling. You see, whenever we move around, we have additional brothers from Ghana that's with us, making sure we're safe, making sure that we're having a great time, making sure that we're accommodated. And so, this is the future. So we did a repatriation investment conference last night, and these are the things we talk about when we talk about repatriation investment. You have a wonderful space here, and as you can see, there's a lot of development things that need to go on. So appreciate everyone who's going to be being part of the growth of what we have here in Trinity. I've been coming here with different groups since 2007, and really appreciate everybody's love and support. And we're going to keep it going strong. And everyone, if you're looking to do certain things, Kwabena is always the contact man as far as any of the schools. If you're trying to get certain things going. And I would just say follow his advice because he knows how to make things work as far as when you're trying to get things done in the country. But other than that, family, children appreciate your love, and we'll keep on doing as best as we can and doing more and more. And we'll see you next time in a few months. And other people may see you sooner, as we have a lot of people still looking to come here and do things. So, my sister, take care.
Okay, thank you. On behalf of Trinity Academy, we say a very big thank you to you. We appreciate everything.
Perfect. I'll give an email address or a phone number or something so people can call.
Now?
No.
Or if you don't, it's not something you memorize.
The number.
Yeah.
Let's do that now.
No, you can read it off.
Read it to the camera.
My number. Or
The
This is your first number.
contact, email, and phone number.
okay. So it's +22 244 03 9274.
Again.
Get it from somebody.
+2 33 244 03 9274. Yes, that's
Thank you.